In this tutorial you're going to annotate not just sentences, but on the first line, which is now yellow, you're going to add little grammatical words and annotate small words, but it could also be phonemes. But for your project, you're going to... So I'm going to look for the word the and of. So I click, as you can see, I click on the sentences here on the first boundary and press, haha, you can't see it, hang on, and press cell. Then I'm going to start playing the sound.
Observing the steady fall of the barometer. Observing the steady fall of the barometer. Observing the steady fall.
The steady fall. The
steady fall.
the steady fall. Very short, very short. So I'm going to double check this zone where I can hear the steady fall.
Observing the steady. Observing the steady.
It's almost inaudible. So I click. It has to be yellow. The line you want where you want to put your annotations has to be yellow. Click and drag and then press enter to create a boundary.
Observing the steady.
Steady fall. I'll take it.
Observing the steady fall. Observing the steady fall.
Ding the steady fall. Ding the steady fall. It's so small you can barely hear it. So the, and then underscore, and I'm going to use this keyboard over here that I can just close and open whenever I want to. The. And it's going to be so reduced. So I'm going to put a little star to say this is a reduced form. Now I'm going to keep going and try and find another one of the barometer.
Fall of the barometer.
Of the barometer. Okay, of the barometer.
The
So follow the.
Of the
The. So the line is yellow. The zone is selected. Press enter.
The barometer.
So it's okay if you've got a bit of overlap and a bit of it's sometimes easier to know what you're doing. And then I just type there, close it, add a little star because it's really reduced. If I want to, I can even annotate the of as well, if this is part of your list of words that you want to choose. So schwa and maybe a V. It's almost devoiced, but that's something you don't have to worry about. And here we go. Here are my wheat forms.
Barometer.
Captain McQuirr
Barometer. Captain McQuirr thought
there's some dirty weather. If I want to just go back and see the whole sentence, I'm going to click on the sentence here, press cell to select, and that's all you can see regarding that sentence.
Observing the steady fall of the barometer, Captain McQuirr thought, there's some dirty weather knocking about. This is precisely what he thought.
Okay, here we go. Okay, now interesting tip. You are looking for a specific word like the. I'm going to click on the sentence. I'm going to press CTRL+F. I'm going to type the plus a little space just to make sure that it only takes the, not there, and other words starting with TH. And I'm going to press OK. And it should highlight, as you can see here, it should highlight the here. If I want, so I'm going to try and find it in the sound file here. If I want to find another one, I press CTRL+G and it's going to show me the next the at the top here. And then CTRL+G, it's going to find the next one. If I keep going, it's going to move from one boundary to the next. So I'm going to press G again. Oh, now it's in here. Had he been informed that the end of the world, so it's here, it's in there. I would select this zone and try and find the. Maybe here.
Finally
Accomplished. So that's a bit early.
the end of the world.
The end of the world. The end of the world.
The end of the
The end of the world. So you've got into the end of the world. You've got to the here. That's interesting. The end of.
the end.
So click at the top. Click. Select again. Press enter.
The end.
V. And this time you've got a weak V. It's not the end of the world. So fun, unique. But it's the. And then add a little star to say it's reduced. Of the world. So I guess the world. The underscore. Type it. Like the. Etc. Save and whole text grid as text file.